How to customize GoPro Quik app settings. First of all, open the app on your device to get started. Next, tap on the profile icon, which is located at the top left corner of the app's main screen. After that, navigate to the Preferences section where you will find several important options to adjust. Within Preferences, you will see settings such as notification preferences, wired auto-offload controls, and an option to clear any downloaded songs to free up space on your device. Under the Suggestions section, there is a toggle for auto-highlight videos, which you can switch on or off depending on whether you want the app to automatically create highlight reels for your videos. Then head over to My Account from the Profile menu, where you will be able to access profile info and manage subscription options. Inside Profile Info, you can view your personal information and make any necessary edits to keep your account details up to date. The Manage Subscription section allows you to view and change your current subscription plan or billing information. Finally, at the very bottom of your profile page, you will find options to either sign out of your account or delete your account entirely if you wish to discontinue using the app. Now you know how to customize GoPro Quik app settings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.